Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the Squid Game 456 number label to your TikTok profile picture. So if you want to show off your Squid Game fandom, you can add the iconic 456 number label to your TikTok profile picture, just like this. So you can just follow this quick and easy tutorial. So here, as you guys can see, this person have this 456 number label on the profile pictures, and I also have it here. As you guys can see, my profile pictures, there's this label 456. And if you are wondering how people can get this number on their photos, you can just follow the steps. First, you can open your TikTok, and then you can just click on search at the top right corner by clicking on this magnifying glass icon and find the Squid Game 2. You can write that keyword. Okay, so in here you can just scroll down until you find the activity section, and that will be this join Squid Game 2. So you need to finish 4 rounds of games to get the rewards. You can just tap on view if you are wanting how we can get the number. Okay, so this is the Squid Game 2 on TikTok. So you just need to finish this. But if you only want to get the number, you can scroll down in here and you need to visit this activity page. So when you do that, you will automatically get the number. So that's pretty easy. You can just visit this page, the Squid Game season 2 on TikTok, and you'll get the number label. So in here, by following or by using these features on TikTok, you'll get the number. And also if you play more games in here, so you can see this is round 1 and round 2. After you complete and round 4, you'll get this rewards. Okay, besides the number, if you rank 1, you can get a trip to the Squid Game experience. And if you rank 2 up to 45, you can get 100 Netflix shop credit. And lastly, when you rank in 46 until 456, you can get a $20 Netflix shop credit. So don't forget to join this game. If you are a fan of this series, you can just open TikTok and find the Squid Game season 2 now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.